is important. Kuya Kim, what's up?
Good day, students. I'm your Kuya Kim, and I'll help you find answers to the issues you encountered on your project. Just a short trivia, did you know that first attempt at metal stamping were made on coins? To stamp the coins, the Lydians created a die, carved the metal with a heavy hammer. The coins were typically made from gold and silver.
Kuya Kim, based on the first past yield monitoring, there has been a continuous decline the yield performance of terminal wiper LHA for the past 3 months. The graphical presentation showed the yield performance declining from March 2022 to May 2022. These downward yield trends were caused by increasing defect trends for the same period. Summarizing the visual inspection data shows clearly what defects were affecting the performance of this product.
After consolidation of data, it became evident that rejection rate increased from 9.1% in March to 14.9% in May. Further investigation shows that the top defect that has been affecting the yield performance of this product is dent on terminals. In order to increase the yield performance of this terminal, the team finalized its goal to reduce the defect rate of terminal wiper LHA to 3.5% by reducing the top defect by the end of August 2022. Kuya Kim, what should we do now? Kuya Kim, what's up? Kuya Kim, what's up?
Okay guys, don't panic. Let's check first the present system.
First, the raw material in coin form is being fed into the stamping die through the feeder machine. Then, the raw material will be processed through the series of cutting and forming stages by stamping process to form the terminal. Afterwards, the terminal will be ejected onto the conveyor and put the parts into the box by the operator. The operator also conducts a random sampling inspection of the output. Then finally, the terminal will be transferred to the inspection area where they will undergo 100% visual inspection.
Here is where terminal wiper LHA is being applied to a vehicle. Terminal wiper LHA, as a part of Honda 3V0A model, will be combined with terminal wiper LHB in TRP's plastic injection process. After TRP's assembly, this is how it looks when installed in a car. This will become wiper switch. Wiper's performance is closely related to the safety of driving. Based on investigation, the root cause of high defects, particularly then, happened at the press production process.
For our root cause analysis, we came up with 3 possible root causes. Under machine, the surface of feed roller of the machine is not smooth. Why? Foreign matter or particles is stuck on the feeder roller. Why? Foreign particles and dirt remain to the feeder roller of the machine when it was next used in raw material. Why? Foreign matter remain to the feeder roller of the machine when it was next used in terminal raw material. Why? No cleaning was conducted on the feeder roller after it was used in oil coil material. Under method, no dent on terminal was found at press during random sampling inspection. Why? Dent on the terminal is not visible during random sampling inspection. Why? Not enough illumination or brightness of lighting at the press area. Why? There was no checking of luminance or brightness of the lights. Why? No defined standard luminance required for lights at press inspection.
Under machine, loose bars or fine metal powder for a material surface plating is being pressed on terminal surface, resulting dent.
Why?
Loose bars was caused by inefficient cutting.
Why?
There is insufficient lubrication in the mold die punch and insert wherein the last stage of the mold die is drying up.
Where?
Oil mist was not enough to cover the entire mold die since it was placed at the initial stage only. And for man and material, there were no possible root cause found.
Now, Kuya Kim will help us to validate the root causes. Root cause number 1. Pouring matter stuck on the feeder and press of the material resulting in dents during production, since there's no cleaning done on the feeder roller.
Upon verification, oil matter pressed on material came from previous oil material that used the same material. Therefore, students concluded
Real cause!
Root cause number 2. Not enough illumination or brightness of the lights of the luminance used at press inspection, since there's no defined lights luminance.
upon verification, there are no lighting fixtures and the illuminance at press area is below the acceptable lux level in comparison with the standard at the FBI area. Therefore, students concluded
Real cause!
For our final root cause, loose bars caused by inefficient cutting of terminals due to insufficient lubrication of the mold die punch and inserts. Oil mist was not enough to cover the entire mold die since it was placed at the initial stage only.
after a series of checks and evaluations, punch and insert have plating residues, mold die surface at its final stage is drying out. Students concluded,
Real cause!
Team, here is my recommended actions. You must clean the feeder rollers to remove the contaminants or foreign material stuck on the rollers causes dent in the raw material being fed to the stamping die. You must install the light or lighting fixtures used for the inspection of terminal at press area. To use a fluorescent lamp with reflector, you must provide a standard illumination intensity in the press area. You can use the 750 lux minimum requirement, same in the FBI area. You must install additional oil mist assembly which will spray oil sufficiently on the raw materials and die surface. Okay guys, see you later.
Alright, Kuya Kim, we will set up and perform our activity schedule.
Rolling.
Good afternoon, Kapuso. As you may recall, every university who Kuya can help are here to express their gratitude. I was informed that suggested improvements were effective and they are here to present. Yes, Miss Mel! We would like to thank Kuya Kim for his help in giving solution to our problem. For our first countermeasures, we cleaned the feeder roller to remove dirt and foreign particles and avoid them to be pressed on material surface during machine feeding. As a result, the defect was reduced to 6.4% for the month of June.
Clean place is a safe place.
For our second countermeasure, we installed lighting fixtures at press area and used LED lights with reflector. As a result, with this, we can achieve the standard illumination intensity of 750 lux minimum requirement, same at FBI area. As a result, the effect was further reduced to 5.5% for the month of July.
The most important thing, perfect lighting at all times.
Lastly, for our third countermeasure, installation of additional oil mist assembly at the middle part of the mold die. After installation, the last stage is now sufficiently covered with oil. This prevented the mold die from heating up and premature tooling wear. As a result, the effect was reduced to 2.4% for the month of August. And we can say that
Target achieved!
The best results are achieved by using the right amount in the right place at the right time.
After the implementation of a countermeasure, the defect was reduced from 3.0% for the month of September to 0.5% for the month of October and 1.0% for the month of November. The defect rate of less than 3.5% is maintained for 3 consecutive months from September to November 2022.
For our standardization activities, the following documents were updated: FMEA, control plan and work process. Generation of work process of proper cleaning of machine feeder was made.
We also conducted lax monthly monitoring at the press area. Orientation to all members was done for awareness and compliance.
Well, Kuya Kim, you know what? As a professor of MB University, I have noticed that the students have improved in all of their responsibilities, tasks, knowledge of QC tools, initiative, confidence, and creativity. The team had become more positive in its approach in finding solutions to encounter problems. As a result of the successful implementation of the countermeasure, the team planned to implement the same improvement actions in the next school year to other terminals. In summary, we should not be too busy to improve. Thank you.
The masterminds would like to thank everyone who supported to make this activity a success.
Domo arigatou gozaimasu!
Mag-aral ng mabuti, nang ang buhay ay bumuti.
After implementing this action to Metal Press Business Unit, they attain tangible effects and intangible benefits. For tangible effects, the loss cost drastically reduced to 163,467.25 to 10,621.05 pesos. For the intangible benefits, continuously builds up customers' trust. They recently awarded new products last September 2022. The total amount of awarded new item is $183,600 from tooling, plus $10,000 monthly part sales.
Sa bawat pagsubok ng panahon, laging tatandaan, ang buhay ay weather lang.
Walang kinikilingan, walang kasinungalingan, walang pinoproteksyonan. Serbisyong totoo lamang. Once again, I'm Mel Chanco
And I'm Kuya Kim
from FP News Alert. Yes, Kuya Kim, you have 80 days to go before Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Alright, thank you so much, the masterminds. Again, our group number 7 is from production, QA and maintenance section of Metal Press under OEM Parts Manufacturing.
Alright, now we will have our question and answer for 3 minutes. Do we have any question or comments po from our judges?
Oh, congratulations, the masterminds.
Thank you po, thank you.
Yeah. Kuya Kim, bakit nag-channel 7 ka? Anyways, regarding the effectiveness of your project, in validating the effectiveness of parameter use in the evaluation of implementation must be complete. From what you have shown in the problem ID and what it will be after implementing your solution. Okay? And it is also connected to what we have commented this morning, that all our initiative must be in line with our business unit KPIs. Okay? So could you please flash back the first leading indicators on yield? Yield performance. So these are actually a sample of KPIs at the business unit level, no? Then they trace it down to their problem. Okay? Where is it? Yan, di ba? Sabi nyo, a part of this downward trend is because of your problem.
Yes po.
Tama?
Yes po. Yes.
Okay. Now, going back to the evaluation of effectiveness evaluation, what is the current situation now of this index after you have implemented your improvement?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon po. I'm Ana Marie Javier Bombita, production leader. So, nagkaroon po kasi kami rito ng effectiveness. Yan po. Dito po, naging 2.4. And then, for now po, nagkaroon din po kami ng trend na mababa po yung naging, by November, naging 0.5 na po kami.
Yeah, but this is the rejection rate, di ba?
Bali po yung rejection rate po namin before, 3.0.
Yeah, I know that. Kabaliktaran na naman ang rejection rate is yung yield.
Opo.
Yeah? Now, ano yung yield nyo ngayon?
Bali ang pinaka-yield po namin ngayon,
Do you have any
1.0
data?
po, sir.
Meron kang data dyan?
Ito po, sir. 1.0 po. By month of November.
So, I guess the right kind of presentation is that you have to go back to those index that you have used in the problem ID so that you will be able to show the actual versus the previous. Okay? Kasi dito rejection rate ito eh.
Yes po.
No. So, ibabalik mo sa yield. No? So that it will be traced back to the leading indicator.
Yes po.
Okay?
Opo.
So just a suggestion, ha?
Opo.
Okay, thank
Thank you
you.
po sa suggestion, sir.
So, Kuya Kim, kailan ba magka-graduate mo sa estudyante mo? Meron pang next semester kaya babalik sila ulit. Anyway, sa akin, comment lang I think I comment yung team nyo is maganda yung process that we went through. Yung QC story is actually almost close to perfect.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So, hindi na naibalik doon sa iyo. Yun lang yung medyo comment ko sa kasi yung yield is a top management goal. You did your job working on the defects, but you have to also connect back to the management, yung report to management. Yun lang. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Alright, thank you Sir Ridor and Sir Jimmy for your suggestions po and your comments. Maraming salamat, sir.
Thank you again, the master.